The Farmers Portal provides information of interest to farmers, such as the current market prices for different crops. It is not a portal through which you can directly sell your agricultural produce or contact buyers. You should use this portal for obtaining information useful to Indian farmers. You can access this portal from anywhere. The Farmers Portal will be useful to you when you want to know the latest agricultural market prices in your state over the internet. All farmers in India will find this portal useful. The Sarpanch has called a meeting of the village farmers. He is explaining how important it is to be well informed about the daily market price of their produce. The farmers do not know how they can get this information. The Sarpanch explains that they can use the online Farmers Portal for this. Let us see how to use the portal. At the end of this activity, you will be able to explain how to check the market price of commodities on the Farmers Portal. First, visit the Farmers Portal at http://farmer.gov.in. Click Post Harvest from the menu at the left and select the option Market Price. Then select Other Agri Commodities. Let us select Commodity-wise, Market-wise Daily Report. In the displayed calendar, select the date for which you want to know the prices and click Submit. You will see a list of all agricultural commodities now. Select the commodities whose prices you want to check. You may select more than one option. Then click Submit. The search result shows state-wise varieties and prices of the selected commodities. So you can see that farmers now have a valuable resource to keep themselves updated with the daily prices of their produce. This can help them to sell their produce at fair prices and not get cheated by dishonest middlemen. As the website says, this definitely is a one-stop shop for farmers. Now that you are aware of this, do share your knowledge with people who might benefit.